In this video you see top 5 gadgets that make your life easy. You can easily purchase these items on Amazon, link in description. Welcome to Effortless Studio. Number 1, electric salt and pepper grinder. House shaven electric salt and pepper grinder set rechargeable with stand. Best kitchen gadgets, spice mill grinders. Automatic recharging base, one-hand operation, refillable, great house warming. Link in description. Number 2, 4-in-1 rechargeable cordless hand blender. Cordless immersion blender. 4-in-1 rechargeable cordless hand blender, 21 speed and 3-angle adjustable with chopper, beaker, whisk, beater for milkshakes, smoothies, soup, baby food red. Designed with a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the new by Zuzu hand blender cordless delivers optimal runtime and performance, which allows it to be used anywhere, anytime. It's time to charge when the battery indicator flash. And this immersion blender cordless, easy to charge with a convenient USB cable included. Ergonomic multi-angle operation when in use. There are 3 optional angles, 90, 135, and 180. The variable angle design makes the cordless immersion blender more convenient, so that you easily use the cordless hand blender electric in containers of different shapes and volumes. Link in description. Number 3, Stirmate automatic pot stirrer. Stirmate automatic pot stirrer 3rd generation gadget. Variable speed, self-adjusting, powerful, quiet, cordless. Stirs your soups, stews, risottos, chili, polenta, sauces, candy, caramelized onions, cheese curds, and much more to your desired creaminess and consistency. Gently sweeps the pot bottom and prevents food burning and pot scorching. Link in description. Number 4, smart mug warmer. Ekago smart mug warmer and mug set, upgraded coffee warmer. 1F precise temperature control mug warmer for desk, heated coffee mug with auto shutoff. Birthday gifts for women and men. Ekago Smart Coffee Warmer Set includes a coffee mug warmer, a 15 ounces ceramic mug, a matching lid, and a coffee spoon. Not only a perfect coffee gift set for birthday or Christmas, it's also an office gift, office gadget for desk or work from home essential. Make this winter of your loved ones warm and cozy with the upgraded Ekago Mug Warmer. The infrared detection of the Smart Mug Warmer allows it to know the exact temperature of your drink and to precisely customize the temperature easily via buttons and display screens. Every sip will stay fresh. With temperatures ranging from 105°F to 175°F adjustable in 1-degree increments, you can craft the ideal warmth for every beverage. Make your perfect cup of coffee, tea, and more. Enjoy every sip with its optimal flavor. With the dual infrared sensors of this gadget for desk, it automatically shuts down when there is no cup in the heating area. Link in description. Number 5, mini vacuum cleaner. For you car and small spaces. LeafZot wireless portable mini car vacuum cleaner. Brushless motor handheld cordless rechargeable vacuum, 12,000 PA3 in 1 vacuum for men, women, car. Desktop home cleaning. LeafZot 3i and 1 multifunctional mini vacuum cleaner. equipped with a range of accessories to tackle various scenarios. Effortless. Link in description. Thanks for watching.